Yuvraj, you represent one of the biggest contract manufacturing organization of India, Akums. We are in a space where we are more into a reactive space, like we have been reacting to a situation or external stimulus till date. Now, in your view, opinion, how do you see that we can move from a reactive space to a proactive space where we can anticipate? Because you are the first point of contact where any change is happening, because you are the contract manufacturer. You need to have that trust with your market authorization holders in India and various parts of the world.
As contract manufacturers, I must bifurcate it into two elements. I think when we were talking about Atmanirbhar, so that's, as a contract manufacturer, it's like a double piling on us. Because it's not about us as an organization, a contract manufacturing organization, but also since we are dealing with 1,500 plus esteemed clients, we have to also measure their stakes in terms of our Atmanirbharta. So coming back to the question from reactivity to proactivity, I think one of the panelists very wonderfully touched upon that aspect. Now, risk assessment is the key. So strategically, Akums is very much conscious now build risk assessment as part and parcel of its strategy. And as we all know that in this dynamic world wherein there are so many geopolitical changes and all other aspects that culminating into every kind of dynamism that we need to put forth, as part of our readiness, we are consciously drawing those inputs as part of our business continuity plan. So that's the key. So in case there is a scenario change, it doesn't stay as good as it was. So we have to keep measuring that as an effective standard response from our side. Because we would want to build, as we mentioned in the beginning, a very reliable, a very assuring supply chain. So that's going to be an ambit where we would want to make it very practical for all of us to understand that in case a scenario comes up, where we have been able to have that kind of readiness that we have assimilated, and there are a lot of simulations that we do periodically. So that is measured only when the real situation comes in. And so far, I think we have been able to have a better positioning of us as an organization to serve our clients continuously. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yuvraj.